You're a lot stronger than you were before.
Yeah, if only I could become a Super Saiyan, though.
You will. You just need something to help trigger the transformation.
The city!
It's the androids. They finally found their way here. This is it. Ah!
Gohan, are you sure you're okay?
I'm worried. I might not be able to keep Trunks safe this time. Trunks, stay here, got it? Do not follow me.
No! If you're going, then I'm going too! You said it yourself! I'm a lot stronger now!
Trunks, you're underestimating how hard this fight'll be.
I promise I won't drag you down! I want to help you fight them!
I get it. Fine, Trunks. Let's go.
Okay.
Trunks, you're humanity's last hope. If both of us die, then there won't be a single warrior left to protect the planet. As the only one left who's capable of ending this nightmare in a few years' time, you have to survive. I'm sorry, Trunks. I might not be able to stop the androids, but if you were around, I'd be distracted. As long as I know you're alive and safe, I can give it my all. And if I do fail, you'll have what it takes to finish the job. Believe in yourself, and become the man you're meant to be. You've got this, Trunks. This is it. It's time the androids learned what we humans could do.
Give it a rest, would you, 17? We've already killed almost everyone here. We should head somewhere where tons and tons of people are hiding. It would be way more fun.
Why are you in such a rush? Let's just try to enjoy ourselves. If we wipe out all of humanity now, then the fun ends and we've got nothing left to do, right? So Gohan, back for more, huh?
No more running away. We're gonna kill you this time.
I won't die. Even if you destroy my body, I'll live on in someone who'll become stronger than me. And he will be the one to stop you once and for all. Let's do this, you freaks!
Hey, no need to get so worked up, Gohan. Don't worry, we'll make this quick.
Yeah, we've grown tired of playing with you.
Here I go!
Hey, where's the little runt you brought last time?
It's none of your business, jerk.
Try to keep up.
Look at you, Gohan. You're really putting in some work.
Go ahead and mock me while you can.
Revive you.
Try to
Revive you. Revive you.
Damn, you're a real pain in the ass.
I'm going to finally rid this world of you two.
Get out of here! Here it comes! Get out of here! Here it comes! Here it comes! Down you go! There's no bear Here I go! Revive you!
Try to keep up, okay?
Revive
Jump on
you!
this. Try to keep up, okay? Jump on this.
Here I go! Here I go! Now for the finisher! Here it comes! Here I go!
Try to keep up, okay?
Revive you! Revive you!
Damn you!
Revive you! Revive you! Revive you! What?
What? You're planning on winning all by your lonesome?
I'm more than enough to beat you.
Man, you're a real bad loser. You know that? You're done. Give it up.
The only one who's done is you.
Didn't we tell you we're gonna kill you this time?
You two are history. You hear me?
You're done! Try to keep up, okay? Jump on this. Where'd he get all this power?
Gohan? Gohan. No, Gohan. Please, no. This can't be real.